So in this video, we are going to be doing the analytics of a video that has 800 views, and it is my vlog channel. It is a recent video that I uploaded few days ago. So we're going to start with ranking by view. The video is ranking 4 of 10, and the views is 818. Impression click-through rate is 6.3. And what's impression click-through rate? People are choosing to watch this video as often as other videos. The click-through rate is looking good. That means people are seeing the thumbnail and they are clicking on it to watch. Average viewer duration 3 minutes 28 seconds. So I'm going to click on this, and we are going to go to the overview of this video. So I want to click on the views and show you guys something, or talk about something with you guys. So this video, when it was 2 days old, let me see when I uploaded it. I uploaded it 17. Yes, when it was 2 days old, the video was on 486, right? And I was worried about that. I was like, I know this video has potential. What's going on? So I decided to tweak my title. I left the thumbnail because I believe the thumbnail is perfect. So I tweaked my title, and I kid you not, starting from that day till 2 days after, the video has doubled in number. Yeah. Okay, so let me first say, when I changed the title, the team picked up, and that same day it got to 739. That same day, 739 views, and as at now it is ranking 818. So that is to say, always and always change your title, change your thumbnail, and chill. You see the way I chilled until 2 days after. Yes, I actually waited. I was like, maybe to pick up, maybe to pick up. When I realized 2 days after it has not picked up, I changed the title and immediately it picked up. So that's what I want to mention for that view part. For watch time, for 7.3 watch time, subscriber is just one. I got just one subscriber from this video. How viewers find the video? YouTube recommendation, that's 655. View time is as at 2 days ago or something. Do you get? So it will be adding it to real time. It is 230 views as at less than 48 hours. So YouTube recommendation is the highest, followed by other YouTube features, followed by notification, followed by subscription feed. And audience retention, like we said, is 3 minutes 28 seconds. There are spikes in this video. When I, as I yesterday or 3 days ago, when I checked the spike, there were a lot of spikes and dip. But right now it is just spike, which is actually good, because spike means they are actually rewatching that part, or they are sharing that part, or they are doing something at that point of your video. So the impression click through rate is 10.4 thousand, right? And what the other thing that made me change my title after waiting for 2 days is, I was looking at, while waiting, I was looking at my impression, and the impression was really high, like it was in the thousands. And I was like, if it is in the thousands, then why is my view still like less than 500 views? And then I realized that you should be sharing it, but people are not clicking on it because of something. I already know my thumbnail is a typical thumbnail people upload for the kind of vlog I do. So I believe it is not my thumbnail that is the issue. It will be the title. So I looked at my impression to determine if I need to change my thumbnail or my title. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's me telling you to always look out for that. It is not useless. It is very important. If it is not high, that means YouTube is not pushing your video yet, or YouTube is not pushing your video at all. YouTube search Black Arab and Koleo. So I don't know what that means. I don't know if it's a movie or something. But content suggesting this my video is one of my vlog video, and some other videos from people that I recognize and people that I don't recognize. But can you believe Good, Bad and Waala by Tobe and Awa is recommending my video? I don't know how that's possible, but when people watch that video finish, my videos are part of the video YouTube recommend for people to watch. Do you know what that is? Do you know that that video is gaining traction? So for YouTube to be recommending my video, there's high chance my video also gain traction. And the YouTube video of Oiza. And I also want to say those two videos I've watched it. So I don't know if watching a video after you've uploaded would help in that video suggesting your video. I honestly don't know. But I've watched two videos or even three videos because one of my videos is here out of the five videos that are suggesting my videos. I think there are more when you click on it. Yeah, there are actually lots of videos suggesting my video, but that's not why we're here. The next one is engagement, and oh, we don't need the engagement, we've talked about it. Next one is audience. So returning viewers 250, unique viewers 658. Previous 4 days processing. So they've not processed 4 days, which is wild. That's why it is very low because it should be higher than that. Anyways, the age is 18 to 34 years. Those are the two range, 18 to 34. And we have just females watching me. I don't have males. Top geographical location: Nigeria, Kenya, United Kingdom. So, why we are here? Right now, the video has CPM of $2.53 and RPM of $0.95, and is amounting to $0.73. I think it is also 2 day processing, but I don't really care. But what I believe happened is a lot of there are a lot of reasons that made this my RPM low or my CPM low. When you upload your video and it is not picking up almost immediately, or it is picking up, the pace is really slow. I realized that YouTube don't give you as much RPM as you should have. But as your video picks up, it will increase, but the increment is not that high. The RPM will actually increase. And that is to say brands are watching because they want videos that they know will pick up or that is picking up already, so they can place their their ads on it. They don't want videos that people are not watching, because if people are not watching they cannot make their money. People cannot see them and watch their ads. So that's part of it. Another one is, like I said, top geographical location: Nigeria, Kenya, and then United Kingdom. So if United Kingdom was like the second or the first, it will not even be $2.53. Do you get? So all of those things work hand in hand. They really do help in making your video or marrying your video. So if you're able to learn a lot, please do well to subscribe, because I upload practical growth tips that would help you. And as you can see, I'm using my channel as a point of reference to show that okay, I'm also in the game. I know what I'm saying, and this is what I implement, and this is what I do, and this is what I do not do. So if you want a channel audit, you can reach out to me, address lady530@gmail.com, or you need any other thing that involves YouTube or editing or you know YouTube banner, all of those things, send a DM, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.